Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your party or your lobby completely closed when you're in a game on your PlayStation 5. So maybe you're in Call of Duty and you're just sitting there in the menus or in the lobby and people keep joining you. Well, you can do this on the PlayStation 5 settings as well and keep everything private or invite only. So we can go to settings right here, scroll on down until we get to save data and game app settings. Then go to game presets and then go to the right. And we can invert the controls. We can turn on the performance mode 120 frames per second. We can change the difficulty of the game in here. And then we can go to where it says online multiplayer, select which players can join and invite other players to your online multiplayer session. So choose this. It says who can join. We have invited players, which would pretty much make it a private chat or a private lobby that you're in. So people can't just join. Friends, friends of friends, or anyone. So this will apply to every game. So if you're in Fortnite, you switch over to Call of Duty, all your sessions will be private. Then who can invite? Leader only or all members. So you have the option to choose that right here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.